Welcome everyone, Eric Wooldridge at the Additive Guru channel. I want to talk to you today about some imperative safety equipment to have, and that is safety gloves. A lot of times in additive manufacturing, you're doing some post-processing, you might be scraping a part, might be trying to pull something off the build plate, cutting tabs or that kind of thing using razor blades. We highly recommend that you use safety gloves that are basically blade resistant. You can buy these on any online store, Amazon, and typically they are shown by a knife not being able to cut through them. They're usually pretty good in terms of microfiber performance, go on just fine, and protect your hands. So with the blades that you use in terms of part removal, always remember safety gloves are important, and it keeps you from lacerating your hands pretty badly. So little tip for you, get them because they're worth the $5 or $6 that you'll spend. All right, thanks for joining.